Hi. Let's learn how to connect ByBit Exchange in SageMaster. Log into your ByBit account. Go to a profile icon at the top right corner, scroll down and select API. Click on Create New API. Select System Generated API Keys. Select API Transaction as API Key Usage. Enter a label of your choice for this exchange. Scroll down to the list of permissions and select Read-Write. No IP restriction, and check the Orders and Positions permissions in Contract block and Trade in Spot block. Then, click Submit button. Complete two-factor authentication. API key has been created for you. Now copy API key and paste it to SageMaster. Click on Manage Exchange. Click on Connect Exchange. Select ByBit Exchange and enter a label of your choice for this exchange. Paste API key and API key secret. Click Connect Exchange. Congratulations! You have connected your exchange to SageMaster.